The money steady rolling like got the light too bright, so we creep with my squad by the water, does some creep. He like to fuck around, say he bleep. Wobbly on the beat, on the head is black sheep. On the rhymes Maria, cause she script is holy. No room for doubt, Liella have us totally. I'd like to say I tried, but I've been lit the whole week. I'm not just trying to see my baby on the weekends only. Now that you see the church and the club, the same thing. We all here to get uplifted and sip on some.
Reporting live from Ngakini, Jaybe, holding it down city to city, city to city, the right way. And I'm with a very special guest. Oh my God. One of the hardest working women in the city, bruh. Jay, that's down. The beautiful, the incomparable. One of the baddest in the game, Ngakini. It's your girl Lex Lafoy. Homa.
Hi.
Looking gorgeous.
Ngiyabonga.
What's going on?
I'm good. The Durban air is good for a girl, you know?
Yes, right. For those who don't know, let the people know who we're talking to right now. Oh my God. I don't know how you would know, but yeah. For those just tuning in, you're reporting live. It's your boy Jay holding it down with the beautiful Lex Lafoy. They don't know what's going on.
Sure thing. So I'm Lex Lafoy.
Woo!
Born and raised in Durban.
Yeah.
As a kid, I grew up in the south, from Treasure Beach, and my dad's family are from Windsworth. And then as a teenager, we moved to Red Hill. And then when I finished...
Oh, I had a human being in Red Hill, and she told me about like a crack house, like a dope house where people are cooking dope, but that was story for another day.
No, it's true. There are some trap houses in Red Hill. I was once there when I was a young teenager. There was a raid with the army. And I learned never ever to smoke again in the trap house yard.
Red Hill, it's too hot. The black is too hot.
We safe at the crib.
But anyway, I'm sorry to continue.
No, it's cool. So yeah, I went to UKZN after Northlands.
Yeah.
I studied psychology and philosophy, because the FAMs were not very much in favor of the whole creative vibes. So I thought, okay, what else do I like other than creativity? Oh, okay, the human mind excites me. So I studied psych.
And obviously that helps because as an artist, it's all about like behavioral economics. You sort of need to predict what the people like and what you can introduce that's new. And at the same time, there's so many things you need to understand of like target markets and people and
exactly.
So that's actually a dope thing to study if you're gonna be an artist.
Thank you, because there's psychology there in everything.
Yeah.
Everything.
Definitely.
So after my degree, I went to Joburg because I just needed the space to explore who I am, without like the pressure of the fams,
Be your own woman. Woo!
Exactly. So
and in Joburg,
it's easy to lose oneself also. So in all the freedom of finding myself, obviously there were moments where,
damn right.
Wild.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, so, and then I was there for like 7 years approximately.
Yeah.
I would visit home often. Yeah. And then I came back last year.
And Joburg is a great place to learn how to hustle.
Definitely.
Let's talk about the Honey EP. You have something called the Honey EP or something?
Honey Base. Yeah, so...
Let's talk about that. I love, like, the visuals of that and the rollout of that and how you were pushing that. And it was like, it was... Wow.
Thank you so much.
It was dope. Check it out. Honey EP, Honey Base EP.
Yeah. So
in
for people
who
don't know what Jabulani is talking about, okay. So I'm a rapper, writer, creative project manager. And I love getting involved in the creative process of my shit, the Honey Base album was released in 2017. Was my debut album.
It was the dopest shit ever.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Dude, even the process of like the honey and yonke.
I saw the photo. I was like, what? How she went that deep? Like that was like honey. Like,
real.
Google it.
Thank you. and dude, I had that vision for like a long time, like 4 or 5 years. And then eventually, closer to the time, I had to like fit the vision to my budget.
Oh my God.
And then that's what happened.
But that was like some blockbuster shit. And like, who looked at that outfit. Like, what is that? Like,
No, that's just a bodysuit I found. I purchased.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, that one wasn't custom made.
Yeah.
It was just
But
something
you made
I found.
it work. Yo,
Thank you.
made it work.
Thank you. Caramel on caramel.
Ooh, caramel on caramel. She said it, not me. Ngakini, it's your boy Jay reporting live.
So yeah, that was
Continue.
the first album.
Yeah.
I mean, before that I had mixtapes and EPs.
Yeah.
I mean, yeah. So the very first project I dropped as Lexicon, called Sketches in the Mind in 2012. It was nominated for Best Mixtape and Best Female at the first South African Hip Hop Awards.
Ooh.
That shit's not online though, because no one's updated. Like at the time I was a student. So I didn't have like the proper budget to get it mixed and mastered properly.
Yeah, it was
so,
just like you just expressing yourself like this.
Yeah. So I dropped that first, then the Purple Velvet mixtape.
I think I remember someone in Purple Velvet.
Yeah, that was a tour we did in Europe.
Oh
I
shit!
took my
Was that in
DJ
2014?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's right.
My memory on point.
So I dropped the Purple Velvet mixtape, then I dropped the
You were in
Tanganyika
Europe?
mixtape. Yeah.
Oh shit! International Bay. Bay with a passport. Where? How was my Purple Velvet? Okay, is there visuals of that? Are there like visuals for that? Like.
Yeah, there are some things online.
Yeah.
That we went to Switzerland, Austria, Germany, and we did 15 shows in 5 weeks.
You really did your fucking thing in Europe, bro.
Thank you. I flew the flag.
Oh my god.
Myself and my tour DJ Do-Up, like, it was a joy.
Ooh.
It was a real joy. Like, and as a woman, to be able to walk around at night at 10 p.m., like, and feel safe.
That's Switzerland.
That was some freedom I'd never known as a South African woman. You know, so that was dope.
Okay.
So Lexicon, Sketches in the Mind, Purple Velvet pre-release mix, Tanganyika mixtape, what else? Honey Bass, 22 the EP, and then now 2021 I dropped New World Daughter, my 6th project. So what I'm actually gonna do, guys, is bring the Lexicon project back
and put it online.
Yeah, I'm gonna record that with a live band. I'm gonna call it the Lexicon 2.0 project. I'm gonna do that next year.
That's so dope.
And just round shit up,
so
you know, like
that
full
so
circle.
Dope. That is so dope. That is so dope. And you can do that, but like just like isn't ASAP Rocky just put a shit online after 10 years?
For real?
Yeah, long live ASAP. He
You
just put it online like recently.
And I heard that Nicki also had done something like that.
Yeah. You need to milk or monetize off of your own nostalgia because your day one fans will really appreciate, like, oh my god, woo,
the journey,
girl.
Exactly.
Milk off of that shit. Oh
I
my
will,
god,
thank
oh shit. You should on these hoes. Fully and completely, bro, properly and thoroughly.
You know.
Oh my god. I'm in awe right now. Okay, let me get a grip. Jay, get it together. So you said you just dropped New World Order.
New World Daughter.
New World Daughter.
Yeah.
Oh my god, elaborate on that. When did you drop that?
The 1st of September 2021.
Yeah.
So September, October, November. It's like 2 months old now. Yeah. It's an 11 track project.
I think I remember the release party. Shit.
That's right.
Yeah. Oh my god, you one of the hardest working. And you organize your own events too, right?
Yeah.
Oh, she a boss. Boss babe, international boss babe. Boss babe with a passport. You bitches ain't shit, get your life right.
So, yeah, I registered my own company in 2011 called Heartistry Productions.
Yeah.
So I've been releasing my music through that. And then it also serves as an event.
Oh shit,
company.
you got that shit like early.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Yes.
Yeah, like I see a whole lot of, you know, women in SA hip hop doing that now. And I'm super, super proud of them. Cause
DJ Zintle and stuff and
a lot of them, Busiswa, Muesli, like a lot of women in the music scene now are understanding that
business side of things. Yeah,
that you have to own your shit.
Yeah.
You know, I learned the hard way, and thankfully I learned a long time ago, like through some contractual bullshit, how to do shit and how to not do shit. You know, I'm still learning, but I learned early that like just having your own registration, your own ISRC codes, your own entity, your own company, like helps. So through my company, I release my own music. I do events. I also, it's a creative agency. So
what's the name of the company again?
Heartistry Productions.
Heartistry Productions.
Yeah.
That's dope.
I kind of keep it in the background. I push the Lex Lafoy brand more.
Yeah.
And then Heartistry is in the back.
Yeah. Okay. problem.
But one day it'll have its own building and people will know it. But
And
for
with
now,
even
it's
its
still
own
growing.
merch, its own product, its own whatever, bruh.
Yeah.
You can pull it off.
That's the plan.
You got the eye of the tiger.
Hey.
But yes, continue. New old daughter. Yeah. Production-wise, who did you work with?
Oh, I love this project. I think it's my favorite project to date.
Yeah.
There's 11 tracks.
Yeah.
And Audio Sims is on there.
Yeah.
Teabag is on there.
Yeah.
Wobbly did one song.
Yeah.
Biggie Brands co-produced a song with me.
Yeah.
And BMS, this young guy from Inanda.
Yeah.
He gave me 3 beats there as well.
Yeah.
And then, so it's a really dope balance because they're
You
all
got-
females on the features.
Oh, wow.
And then they're like all males on the production.
Yeah, and you got the creme de la creme with regards to production, bro. That's like top tier, yeah. You're shitting on us.
I'm very blessed to have who I have on there, no lie.
Yeah.
Like, I'm super
Yeah.
grateful. I mean,
Yeah.
Audio Sims, award-winning producer.
Yeah.
Teabag, we know, Cultured Chaos,
Yeah.
DJ Wobbly.
Teabag's been holding it down for a minute.
Dude,
Wobbly's
everyone.
holding it down for a minute, yeah.
Yeah. These are people who fly the Durban flag
Yeah.
very high, you know, so I'm very grateful.
Dream team production-wise.
Exactly.
Feature-wise, who did you work with?
Miss
The woman.
Andy's on there.
Shout out to Chocolate Mama, shout out to your girl, Miss Andy.
I know
Yeah.
she just had her interview
Yeah.
with you guys not long ago.
Yeah.
So Miss Andy's featured on there.
Yeah.
Larice, who's a homegirl that had never sang before, but I was like, girl, I can hear you can sing.
Yeah.
Come to the mic.
Yeah.
And, you know, I sat with her, and because I wrote
Coached
the
her.
chorus as well,
Yeah.
I just sat with her and we worked through it. And eventually
Yeah.
she gave the song what it needed.
Yeah.
Analyzer, who is a Xhosa rapper and theatre person, she's
Yeah.
also on there. And lastly, Buselapi, who is a Maskandi legend.
Yeah.
She's on there as well.
Yeah.
So, yeah. I mean, they're not your typical hype features, but
Yeah.
I really, honestly, I put quality over hype any
Yeah.
day.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And you made it work
Thank
the
you.
right way.
Thank you. I'm
Presentation
really
on
grateful.
a gazillion.
Even the cover,
Yeah.
like that was a team of 5.
Oh shit.
You know, and that's my approach now moving forward. Is
Yeah.
like I just want teams
Teamwork
around
makes the
this
dream
thing. You
work.
know, like there were 5 people who did the artwork, including myself as the visual director,
Yeah.
including makeup, including the photographer, first editor, second editor.
Yeah.
And with the next video that I'm planning, for example, like there's already 5 people just in wardrobe alone.
Shit.
You know, so
Oh shit.
so
Continue.
dude, I want
Yeah.
us as Durban to just like raise our creative quality and professionalism to that next level, because there's nothing stopping us from being
Fully.
as great as Cape Town and Joburg. It's just the way we see ourselves.
We are like 80% of the industry. It's just that we
Dude.
sell it outside of our own city.
Exactly.
If we're able to hack it, it's another bag. It's another check.
Exactly. But I mean, look at this. We have everything we need.
Fully
So
and completely.
yeah.
Yeah.
So now that I see that, I want to put that in practice in all my work.
Yeah.
Like, we don't have to cut corners. We don't have to short cost people. We don't have to fly in abanye abantu. We have everything we need.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I fuck with you for that.
Thank you.
Reporting live, I'm going to boy, I'm holding it down city to city, city to city. I'm with the beautiful, one of the hardest working, baddest bitches in the game, Lex Lafoy. Oh my god. Oh my god.
How am I
Earth.
supposed to get through this and not blush?
Okay,
It's
let me
no,
get a
no,
grip.
no,
Let me
no,
get a
it's
grip.
fine, it's fine.
So, like, let the people know, like, is the project available? Is there merch behind it? Is, like, what's going on with, like, the availability of the project? Like, you know, what's going on?
Yeah, so I recently, this August,
Yeah.
just before releasing the project, I signed distribution with Slick On Life.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, I'm grateful for that.
I didn't even know you did that.
Actually, I'm one of the first, because he
Oh.
called me up about a month before. What had happened was I had an IG interview with Slick On Live,
Yeah.
and I'd done interviews with him before.
Yeah.
So I kind of like see him as a big brother in the
Yeah.
industry, you know?
And he's very down to earth, bro. Shout out to your Buddha.
Extremely.
Yeah, showcase.
And like, while we were doing, in fact, after we did that IG interview,
Yeah.
he called me up in that week, and I didn't have his number saved, because usually when I deal with him, it's either in person or via the person organizing the interview, you know. So wangfonela, and I was high as shit, dude. And I was like, you know, wangfonela, and he's like, yo Lex, it's Sia. I'm like, Sia?
Yeah, who this nigga?
Sia? Who? Which Sia? Like, Sia from Slicker. I'm like, whoa, inside. I'm like, okay, girl, get some. You know?
Drink some water, get your mind right.
Take a walk, get some air. He never knew that, but now he knows.
Get a hold of yourself.
So, you know, he's like, listen, next month in August, I'm opening a new division of Slick On Live. I'm going to do distribution, and I'd love for you to be one of the first artists to sign on there, because I've never heard you like that before. Like, I gave him an exclusive from one of the tracks that wasn't out yet, and he was
just to build that relationship.
Yeah, as someone who's listened to me over the years, I felt so honored, dude.
Yeah.
Like,
he sees the work, the quality of the work.
So,
yeah.
He offered distribution, and I had just left.
And you were like,
dude, I felt like God was opening a new door for me, like soon after the Maleningi one shut, you know. So one thing ended, one thing closed, but then new shit opened.
Better.
Yeah. So I'm very grateful. I have a distribution deal with Slick On Live, and the album is, it's all over. You can get it. And
I seriously feel like you should go into merch, but I feel like you could kill it.
Nah? I was thinking about that yesterday, actually.
Shit on these hoes.
I do want to.
Shit on these hoes. License to shit. Just go in. I feel like you kill it.
I'm doing that. I'm preparing the website at the moment, and I'm planning to launch. Yeah, I'm planning to launch the website early next year, 2022, together with my new book. Because my first book is Queen Shalabima and the Star Children. It's a children's book that's in English and Zulu. And now my second book is
shit, she an author. She's shitting on you, bitch. Y'all niggas need to get your hustle up. Continue, bro.
So my second book is called Iziqiniseko 100 Zulu Affirmations. And then I'm really grateful. That has a foreword by the Dlamini King, which has just come through.
Oh, shit.
So I want to drop that in the beginning of 2022.
Motherfucker, bro.
It never ends. I mean, I'm one of...
She a hustling motherfucker, bro.
I look up to people like Jay-Z. I have to show some fruits for it, you know? Like, it's bigger than hip-hop, you know, as Dead Press says. So, my 100 Zulu Affirmation book, I want to drop that in, hopefully in the beginning of next year with the website. While working on the Lexicon 2.0. Because, fam, I want everyone to be on these higher vibes. You know, I want everyone to be woke and to know their value and to just be living purposeful lives, you know? Because then everything's better for everyone. It's hard when you're out here trying to live your best life and other people, because they're not self-aware, their insecurity brings them down and it brings you down, you know? But if everyone is self-aware, the more self-aware people there are, the more we can work together, and stupid things like insecurities and fears and doubts will have no space, will have no room. You know? So I think as Durban, we really need to know our potential and our greatness and
own it.
And own it. And own it. And I think that's what I am here for. Like, I didn't know why I came back home, but I just listened to that inner voice, and I'm here, and I just feel so purposeful being home.
Girl, the Lobola price just went up for these niggas.
Hey!
What the fuck? I'm like hypnotized. The insecurity, old people to be alright. Oh my god. But I fuck with you for that, bro. Yes, I fuck with you. Oh my god. Okay, let's get a grip. Reporting live. We're here to support you. Holding it down for Deeply Rooted Fed. So, chilling with the beautiful, one of the hardest working, and talented. Oh my god. She's aligning my chakras right now. Just talking to my intuition on fleek right now.
Chakra hand on fleek.
Woo! Oh my god. Gagin. Okay, let the people know where they can fuck with you at, like in terms of like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, your website, like what's going on.
Yeah. So you can find me at Lex Lafoy on everything. So Lex. And then space and my surname Lafoy. Yeah, everywhere. And then the website is going to come out next year.
Okay, cool.
So that's still in
And
progress.
then if people want to work with you with regards to like event promotion and branding, your company Heartistry Productions, like how can people get in contact with
they can just
with you via that?
Yeah, they can email me at Lex Lafoy PR for public relations at gmail.com.
Yeah.
Or Heartistry.
Lex Lafoy PR. Okay,
That's right.
gmail.com, yeah.
Lex Lafoy PR at gmail.com.
Yeah.
Or
help you with that
Heartistry.
rollout.
Thank
Get your image
you.
on lock. Nigga.
Or Heartistry Productions
Yeah.
at gmail.com. Either way, it'll reach me. And like what I'm working towards now is just growing my database of Durban creatives.
Yeah.
So on the one hand, there's an element of like linking creatives to work and earning opportunities and performances.
Yeah.
When I get called from people outside of Durban that are looking for that.
Yeah.
And on the other hand, I want to start these creative nurturing sessions soon where I'm planning to, I want to share the business knowledge with more young artists.
Which is so important.
Exactly, because that's why Heartistry exists, basically.
The more people getting the business right allows more opportunity for everybody, because the industry will get used to these kind of contracts and conversations and situations.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And even if there's a young artist out there who maybe doesn't have the understanding or the skills, you know, that's where the creative agency comes in. It's okay, like we'll do your paperwork, we'll handle your booking for you, you know, things like that. So that's what I'm in process.
Damn, you shitting on these hoes. I fuck with that.
Thank you.
The right way. So those two emails, Lex Lafoy PR at Gmail and
Heartistry Productions.
Okay.
If that one's too hard to remember, like people can just email Lex Lafoy PR at gmail.com.
Oh my God, she a working girl. She a hustling motherfucker. I fuck with her. And the music bomb and bang too.
Thank you.
So it's important you're holding it down, reporting live. And again, shout out to Deeply Rooted, tune in. Shout out to everybody doing amazing right now.
Yeah.
Your boy Loki just dropped some shit. Oh my God, Lungelo Man just dropped some shit. Your boy Celeste with that music video. Pete Dog just dropped some shit. Fiddle 5 Blackie just about to go on tour. SMB with the motherfucking pop-up shop.
Nipo Heard also just dropped.
Nipo Heard just dropped. That boy Lumka's about to do some dope shit. Oh my God. Whereas in December, Ngakini,
popping.
There's another Full of Culture coming up, Jaybe.
Yes.
I think the first Friday of December. Look out for that. Nizonya. Oh my God, it's a Porsche. It's a Porsche. Ngakini, shout out to your girl Lex Lafoy for being a great sport and coming out to the show. Looking gorgeous.
Thank you, such a pleasure being here.
Oh my God, the bullet price just went up on these niggas. That's a Porsche.
Head up of water, my ducks in a row. Only one life and I'm living it though. Jay's 10, what's happening, bro? Work hard to stay patient, you know how it go. Still independent, finessing it though. Owner and artist, I had to do both. Open the market up, gotta get dope. Producing in product, a boy on the road. I might just pull up.